Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at Torras Life MoonClimber iPhone 12 Pro Max Kickstand Clear Case. So this is the case here. It comes with a cover to peel off right here when you're ready. But the whole idea of this case is it's clear, so you can see that it's an iPhone. It covers the buttons. We like that. The switch is uncovered right there. The power button is covered. We like that also. And the ports on the bottom are available for speaker, microphone, and what have you. It has side impact protection right here around each corner. And then this pops open to be your kickstand. So you can kickstand it vertically and you can kickstand it like that. Or if you prefer to have it set up like this, you can also kickstand it like this. The kickstand is adjustable, so you can have it higher if you want, or all the way down as well, or fully closed. And the bump out here protects clothing or bags from snagging on either end of the kickstand. So we like that it's clear and it's protective for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you can find this from Torras Life. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.